Alright, let's see what happens when we shoot a Roman candle at the Ekopel bathtub. Alright, it turns out that one candle wasn't enough, so we decided to shoot another 4 of them at it. Alright, last chance. Ooh. Backboard. Whoop, that was a good one. Balls. Looks like we got a couple little ember marks. It looks like they'll polish right off. We'll bring it back inside. There's burns all over it. We'll see if we can just do a quick wash and polish. We won't clean it any further, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's see if we can get this cleaned off just with Simple Green here. I'm just going to try to wipe it and see if all the soot and the ashes from the fireballs comes right off. Fireballs versus Ekopel. Now that's a new one. Alright, so we got this tiny little nick here. Let's see. Everything else stays. So far, everything else is washed off. That one washed off. Let's see if Ekopel will protect your tub against a fireball attack. Kind of Mad Maxy, but it could happen. In a zombie apocalypse. Alright guys, as you can see, Ekopel held up. It didn't crack or peel or fall off when we hit it with the Roman candles, and we were able to wipe almost all the spots right off. There's a couple little ember marks, so you're definitely going to want to avoid putting fire in the tub. But again, we have a bunch more of these silly videos coming soon, so if you like the content and you want to see us do some more destruction, the next one is going to be a baseball bat with a shower head attached to the end. We're going to see if we can cause some chips on an Ekopel tub and then see what we can do for repairs. So like I said, you can see a couple of those nice ember marks from the burnup. But if you can like the video, we really appreciate it. Comment below if there's any kind of destruction video you think would be fun. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you want to buy your own Ekopel, you can visit refinishedbathsolutions.com or check us out on Amazon. Just search for Refinished Bath Solutions. Thanks for watching, and have a great 4th.